Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Just catching up on some light reading. But you guys have been asking, where are the carburetor videos? Well, I have a treat for you. My next live stream is going to be talking all about the carburetor. But I need your help. Leave a comment on this video with your question, or on my website, or my social media, and in stream, I will take those questions and answer them live. And if you can join me live, you can ask follow-up questions, so you can learn more about how to tune the carburetor and help yourself and not have to pay those dealer service charges. So, subscribe, ring that bell to enable notifications so you don't miss it when I go live, and I'll see you on stream. Now I gotta get back to reading. Dang, this is a good book. Just can't put it down.